Traveling with a baby, stress-free tips for a smooth journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Daily Hurdles. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of traveling with a baby. While it might seem daunting, with a bit of preparation and some helpful tips, you can have a stress-free and enjoyable travel experience with your little one. In this video, we'll share valuable advice on how to make your journey smoother, from packing essentials to managing in-flight comfort. Let's get over this hurdle. Section 1. Planning and preparation. Planning ahead is the key to success when traveling with a baby. Opt for destinations that are baby-friendly, with amenities like changing facilities and family-friendly attractions. Consider your baby's schedule when booking flights or accommodations, aiming for times that align with their sleep or feeding routine. Pack essentials like diapers, wipes, extra clothing, and any necessary medications. Don't forget comfort items like a favorite blanket or toy. Section 2. Air travel tips. Choose seats that offer extra legroom or proximity to the bathroom, if possible. Some airlines also have bassinets for infants. Familiarize yourself with the airline's policies on baby items, strollers, and car seats. Most airlines allow you to check them for free. During takeoff and landing, offer your baby a bottle, breast, or pacifier to help equalize ear pressure. Bring favorite snacks and toys for entertainment. Section 3. Car travel tips. Ensure your baby's car seat is properly installed and meets safety standards. Plan for frequent stops to provide comfort and feedings. Keep essentials like diapers, wipes, and snacks within easy reach. Use a backseat organizer or travel bag for convenience. Visit the link in our description of this video for a diaper bag that is ideal for traveling. If possible, plan your travel during your baby's nap time, so they sleep through a significant portion of the journey. Section 4. On-site comfort. Once you've reached your destination, create a comfortable environment for your baby. Choose accommodations that offer cribs, baby-proofing options, and quiet surroundings for better sleep. Try to stick to your baby's usual routine as much as possible, including sleep and feeding schedules. Bring a baby carrier or stroller for exploring your destination comfortably while keeping your baby close. We have provided a link in the description of this video for our recommendation of the best conversion car seat for traveling. And there you have it, a guide to stress-free travel with your baby. Remember, planning, preparation, and flexibility are your best allies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow parents. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to making unforgettable travel memories with your little one.